Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a smart portfolio with eToro, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin building a smart portfolio with eToro, you first need to create an account. Visit the eToro website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. After completing the registration, verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once your email is verified, log into your eToro account. Next, complete your profile by providing additional personal information. You will need to verify your identity by uploading the necessary documents. Now, it's time to fund your account. Click on the Deposit Funds button and choose your preferred payment method. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. With your account funded, navigate to the Copy People section to explore potential investments. Browse eToro's top investors and analyze their profiles, focusing on their performance, risk score, and trading style. Select investors that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once you have chosen a few investors, click the Copy button next to their profiles. Decide how much of your capital you want to allocate to each investor and confirm the investment. You can also consider diversifying your portfolio by looking into various asset classes like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. To do this, head to the Markets tab and explore different assets available on the platform. Research individual assets by checking their historical performance and market trends. Add assets to your watch list to keep track of their performance over time. As you build your portfolio, continuously monitor the performance of the copied investors and assets. Reassess your investments regularly to ensure they still align with your financial goals. Consider adjusting your allocations based on market conditions and personal circumstances. eToro also allows you to set stop-loss and take-profit levels on your investments. This can help manage risk and lock in profits. Finally, stay informed by accessing eToro's educational resources and market analysis. This will assist you in making informed decisions for your smart portfolio. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to building a successful portfolio with eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.